What is the world's average penis size? According to Wiki, it is 5.1 inches in length and 4.8 inches in girth. So what does a woman want? According to the Journal of Urology, it is 6.3 to 6.4 inches in length and 4.8 to 5 inches in girth. But what do I want? I want to be above average, 7 to 7.5 inches. I want to have lots of self-confidence. I want to know that the size of my penis isn't the problem. I am not going to spend hundreds of pounds on pills that don't work or pumps and traction devices that could take over my life. And surgery, well, that would cost thousands. It's dangerous and you lose size over time. None of these are for me. So how do I intend to get a bigger penis? Using a technique called Jelqing. I have researched this method for many years and I know this is the route I want to take. Jelqing is for me, but the big question is, does it really work? All I see on the internet is inconsistency, possibly fake pictures and people talking numbers on forums. I am going to take you on my personal Jelqing journey to prove whether or not Jelqing works. This will be my real life story month by month. I will provide uncut video evidence giving accurate measurements, proving the time and date, proving undisputable distinct body marks. This is a real deal, so before you invest your time and money on penis enlargement, sign up, become a member, follow me and be part of the world's first real life Jelqing journey. You've been listening to Daniel Gray at jeltagain.com. Thanks for listening.